First off, heater's been installed.
Drilling out the holes that got galvanized closed. Like that one is almost completely gone. That's how thick the coating is. Like on that side, it is gone. And it was clearly there before we took it to get galvanized. About time for a new bit.
Yeah. So.
It's light. Is it all the way? Is it tight?
No, it's tight.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. I went really light. I'm afraid to get in the corner. You gotta go down and get us Kaiser buns.
That's what I was. Yeah, they have them at Dollar General.
We don't have any horse riders.
Yeah, they should have it at Dollar General. I don't know why I can't go to Dollar General. Only.
I don't have Kaiser rolls though.
Fuck no. They don't have nothing but imitation Hawaiian rolls.
All right.
They ain't got those.
No, they're imitation Hawaiian.
They don't have
rolls.
sweet rolls.
Yeah, you got Hawaiian rolls. All right. Chicky, ready?
Yeah.
Ouch.
I hope
God,
it is.
that's scary.
Oh, shit!
Like my heart is fluttering.
You pepped over his
Jack it before I keep rolling.
Oh, that one's gangster.
Okay, we're hitting it. You shook your head.
That's because the whole panel started rot.
It is going to. You got a good gap.
And then when I put the tape on it,
Take the tape. Okay, is that the large hole or the small hole? That should be the smaller
that's
hole.
a small hole, yeah.
Yeah, use it without anything.
Alright.
Are you ballsy enough, or
Yeah.
you know?
You know those little things you put
Yeah.
on to freeze voice off?
No, you know what I was thinking? The
little 3M
the
circle
binder.
binder donut.
Oh yeah.
Ready? We rolling?
We rolling.
That's pretty close.
Okay, next one. I can go deeper.
No, let's not go deeper because I don't.
I don't want to make an
Getting
indent.
it on the tape. There's a paint.
Ready?
Yep.
I hope we're good. That looks really good.
Oh, that was good. It rotated a little bit and scared the shit out of me.
It's all going
Understandably.
good. Okay.
I mean, thousandths of an inch is all we're missing. I mean, it's doing what it's supposed to do, but the fulcrum is bending and it's not pushing. I do believe there's a detent cable here that's supposed to go, like a spring that offers a little bit of detensioning to this spring. It's just a little lesser spring.
Okay. Ready? Key on? Yeah, there's no telling then.
He's on.
Alright.
Huh.
I ran out of gas.
Sorry, I was trying to watch the smoke.
You ain't got no gas.
That was something.
First time.
Alright, I'm gonna have to give it a little more. Maybe run oil just a skosh. Ready?
Yep.
Too far advanced.
All right. Which way?
Retard is back. Counterclockwise is retard.
Counterclockwise?
Yep.
Okay. Ready?
Alright, I'm gonna have to do it from in here. I'm gonna try and keep it running.
Start the choke. It might not be warmed up enough.
Thank you, guys.
Might not be.
I was just knocking off some quick nubbins. Oh shit.